Welcome back. Vijay Sardesai took a powerful dig at Pratima Coutinho at a meeting in Fatorda. He said that young women in politics should sustain good image and keep their word. He said that women should not bring a situation where others lose faith in them.
Aspiring candidate from Fatorda constituency, Vijay Sardesai came out strongly on another contender of Congress ticket, Pratima Coutinho. He said that young women should abide by their virtues and keep good morale in the society.
बायल्यो ज्यो राजकारणात येतात त्यो निवळ असपाच्यो गरज आहा. बायलांची प्रतिमा जी आहा, प्रतिमा म्हळ्यार इमेज, ही इमेज बरी उरपाक जाय. आनी बायलांची जर इमेज पेड्यार जाली जाल्यार राजकीय क्षेत्रांत जे 33% रिजर्वेशन केलां, जे बायलां खातीर रिजर्वेशन केलां, आज फक्त रिजर्वेशन म्युनिसिपालिटी आनी जिल्हा परिषद लेवल आनी पंचायत लेवलीचेर पावलां. फाल्यां हे रिजर्वेशन असेंब्लीचेर येवपाचें आहा. आनी बायल्यो जर अश्यो उतराक चेंज जावपाक लागल्यो जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता जे मनशांनी हे कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल अमेंडमेंट केलो, जातून बायलांक 33% रिजर्वेशन केले, ते आपले कपलार हात मारूंक लागतले. बायलांची प्रतिमा निवळ उरून आमची जी आमचे राजकीय क्षेत्रांत आमी जे फुडें सरल्यात ते आमी एक फातोर्डान एक बरी मेसेज दाखोवया आनी गोंयांत कितें तरी बदल बरी हाडून आमचे एकवटान आमी दाखोवंक पावतले.
He also said that there is a need for a change in Fatorda from non-performing MLAs.
जाका दोनदा सोर्त लागल्या, ही सोर्त लागून फक्त फायदो ताका जाला, आमचे मतदारसंघाक जावना, वोटरांक जावना, लोकांक जावना. म्हणून अशे मनशाक नॉन परफॉर्मिंग आमदाराक भायर ओडून बदल घडोवन हाडपाची गरज आहा.
Congress's strong contender in the fray, Monica Dias, also pledged her support to Vijay Sardesai.
एका तिकेटीचेर 4 कुडक्या करून 4 जाणां दिवपाक जायना. ही आमची काँग्रेसाची तिकेट म्हळ्यार ती फातोर्डा असेंब्ली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी तिकेट. आनी ही तिकेट कशी विजयाक पावोंक जाय ती हांव सांगता. आनी आमच्या काँग्रेस पार्टीक तर सांगूंक नाका, बिकॉज आवर लिडर्स फ्रॉम गोवा मस्ट गिव द रायट मेसेज टू द काँग्रेस लिडर्स इन दिल्ली. बिकॉज the right message does not go to Madam Sonia ji and Honorable Rahul ji.
Another contender in Fatorda constituency, Camilo Barreto, has decided not to contest the election from Fatorda. Sources say that he may support Vijay Sardesai. Our reporter in Madgaon, Savio Dias.
Now news from sports. Ansan Hallelujah Football Club have arrived in Goa. The second division K-League football team is set to take on Goa 11 squad in a one-off exhibition tie. Ansan Hallelujah were founded in the year 1980 and were the first professional club in South Korea. On the home front, the Goa 11 squad will comprise of all Goan players with no foreigner players in the mix. However, GFA Vice President Elvis Gomes told Prudent that talks are on with Sporting Club the Goa to release Flaming Oranges Korean recruit Park Jae-hyun to play for Goa. This friendly has been organized by the Archdiocese of Goa Sports Squad for Christ. The match is set for a sunset kickoff under specially arranged floodlights at the Tilak Maidan in Vasco on Sunday.
GFA's Elvis Gomes and Welvin Menezes along with Goa University's sports director Milton Fernandez received the team and its officials. The South Korean side were introduced to the Goa Football Association officials and other sports administrators in the state by Chief Coordinator Kennedy De Silva. Manager of Hallelujah FC Sara Ali gave a few details of the club's journey from Mumbai to Goa, which the club travelled by train.
We never had long distance traveling like more than 5 hours. We never had experience.
Could you tell us something about the match now which you all have come to play?
Hallelujah Football Club established in 1980 and our team was the first Korean professional team and the first winner of the K-League, and now we are in National League, which is second division in Korea. So here very windy, it's very cool and perfect weather, I think. And for us to be Goa and training will be very helpful because it's off season. So we have to get ready for the next season.
Okay. So. And what is the score that you are predicting of tomorrow's match?
Oh, I'm not sure because I'm not coach. I don't know their.
Goa's selection 11 will be a relatively young and inexperienced bunch that will take on Alleluia FC.
All Goan boys, youngsters with 2 or 3 experienced players.
So could you give us the names of the few players?
Siddesh Moje, Meklas Morais from Salgonkar, Dominic Norona, John Dias, Dempo players, Milagris Gonçalves, striker of Salgonkar.
Any reason why you have not taken any foreign players? Like for example, when Goa played Zambia, there were a few foreigners included. Any reason why? Because Park Ji-hyun could have been playing in this match. He's a Korean too who's just joined Sporting. Any reason why the foreigners
What
not?
basically happened is Sporting has a very important match scheduled for the 23rd. In fact, we are exploring the possibility if Park could be part of this team for a short while at least.
In terms of the score, because they are quite a professional team, they are quite a high-ranking team. Korea are high in the FIFA rankings as well. So don't you feel Goa would be a little short?
Yeah, what happened was, since the I-League is at its peak, we also thought it best not to touch the players of the teams, regular teams.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Falari from Karmali.
Vivek Kolamkar has asked all cricketers in Goa to take this season's GPL 3-day tournament very seriously following yet another disappointing Ranji campaign. Goa amassed 9 points this season in the Ranji and finished third behind Maharashtra and Hyderabad. Very disappointing performance given the kind of pre-season the Goan squad had. Now Ranji coach Vivek is banking heavily on the GPL 3-dayers that should begin in April to test out the players for the next year's Ranji longer version.
Because one of the best pre-seasons, when Raghuram Bhatt was there, then you all went to South Africa, the mood in the camp was completely different. Yet again another disappointing season as a fan, if you look at it from the outside. But what from the coach's point of view?
See, basically what I feel is for first 3 matches we played excellently well because first match, Maharashtra match, it was unfortunate that we couldn't win that match. But second match we got lead against Assam, third match we won outright and we were second in the table. But it's just a one bad match against Hyderabad that we lost the momentum. I think we lacked in technique because the ball was seaming and our batsmen couldn't tackle that swing. So that was the one match that we lost and where we lost the momentum.
So where does Goa go from here now? Obviously you might be thinking of the next season already. How would you then approach the next season?
See, I've already spoken to the guys. I've told them that we need to take these GPL 3 days very seriously because from that is where we managed to put that habit in ourselves to last for 3 days because we need that concentration level, we need that attitude to play those longer version of the game. So I have already spoken to them and let's see how it goes because I've planned to start the camp from May. So we'll have fitness test and then basically we'll try to play as many 3-day games as possible so that we can get acclimatized to the Ranji Trophy for the next season.
From Porvoria, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. Keep watching Prudent Media. Take care and goodbye.